technology, and I came to Ghana to learn more about starting my manufacturing company. This experience has been amazing. I've met a lot of people who work in fashion, who was able to give me great advice about getting into the industry here, as well as real estate, and we're just learning about where I can get a plot of land in the best neighborhoods, and everyone has just been so awesome and super supportive. Even people that aren't in my industry just giving me advice from different areas on just how to move out here and really learn, and advice on getting into business in Ghana. And this experience has been amazing, and I hope we host another one, so when I'm back here, I will be here and bring some more friends.
So you have written amazing experience. This conversation we've had today, I think, is one of the most important things. So I think there's a wealth of knowledge that exists within the Ghanaian community that lives here. You need to find the right person, right contacts, right people who understand what is happening and who will go. And these connections we'll be able to make with those who are in the diaspora in particular. I think for this conversation has been extremely useful. So what am I looking forward to? We'll make deals. Say that the best transactions are transactions that are made off of drinks. People have drinks and they can make best deals, right? But people are making connections, that's very useful. Those that are equally figuring out what they can do and work on together, I think that's equally useful. People from the diaspora getting to understand Ghana better beyond the rhetoric they hear, and I think that's useful.
I was a participant of the program, and I think I learned so much. One, by interacting with people from the diaspora, as well as interacting with other businesses in here and investors as well. I think it's been a great opportunity being able to reach out to them, to sort of interact and come up with different lessons we can both gain from each other. And I think it's an event I would attend every year or whenever it's been offered, I'd attend. But I think it's a great opportunity.
On KhoPhi channel. My name is Bridget Watchet, and this is
I'm Kristen Tellis Clay.
Yeah, so our two companies came together, the African Catalytic and
Certified African,
to bring together this business event called Catalyst. The idea is to get influencers, vetted entrepreneurs from both Ghana and the diaspora to come together to discuss business ideas, collaboration. The whole goal is to be able to bring together resources that would allow us to move developments in the country further. So I'll let Nia and Kristen talk a little bit about their work.
So basically what we look at is how we can get black people from the diaspora to Africa and not just visit but have a good reason to keep coming back. So we use events like this to bring the two groups together to build relationships and then have business engagements that when they have a solid interest in this part of the world to keep coming back. So that's the whole goal of Certified Africa and the Catalyst event.
Thank you so much. Bye.